Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have some Bluemel steering wheels. These are all Bluemel steering wheels. Bluemel's made steering wheels from the 20s right the way through to about 1966. These are all early period. This one here is a Jaguar SS 100 steering wheel. They also fitted them on the Jaguar saloons of the period, and you can see the spokes have torn out of the rim here, and this particular steering wheel will replace it with a new one. I have another one here from an Elvis. This is relatively good order. These were also fitted to Aston Martin. If you look on the back of some of these wheels, you'll actually see the Bluemel's label on the back of the spokes. I've got another one here. This is from the later 1930s, from a Derby Bentley, and you can see the Bluemel's stamp here on the back of the spokes here.